Hi, my name is Tibi and I'm the founder of the Multitude Project. In this video I'll present an infrastructure for collaboration that we put together, we designed, also in collaboration with other organizations around the world. It is an infrastructure that we're actually implementing in some of our projects, and it is continually improving and expanding. So I would appreciate if you decide to use it, to please come back to us and give us feedback in order to further improve it and expand it. Let's start with a very simple working definition of an infrastructure. So in my mind, an infrastructure is a coherent set of tools that enable a community forming around the project to carry out its actions, to fulfill its goals. So we're talking about communication tools, project management tools, content management tools, tools that automate logistics, some legal tools, etc. So the idea is to look at these type of communities that get together and form around the project and identify their needs. What is that they need in order to carry out their actions? What is that they're doing, how they're doing it, and what kind of tools they would need in order to facilitate their work, to make their work easier, more effective, more efficient. And once we identify the needs of these type of communities, we go out there and try to find these tools and we put them together, okay, into a coherent system. So these tools are interoperable and they can exchange information, they can communicate with each other and form what we call an infrastructure of collaboration. So when we designed this infrastructure, we had a very particular goal in mind which aligns with the Multitude social movement values, and that is to empower individuals from poor countries and from rich countries. The goal was to provide these individuals with the tools and the know-how to enable them to form collaborative networks and to co-create, to produce value and to distribute this value on the world market. So in order to create an infrastructure that empowers individuals, you need to satisfy a certain set of criteria which are very important. The tools you're choosing to integrate within this infrastructure, they have to be low cost, and if possible, they have to be free. They also have to be widely and easily accessible. So anybody in the world can actually access them and use them easily. These tools, they have to be easy to use and user-friendly. Okay, so you want to lower that barrier or diminish the effort of learning how to use these tools. They need to be user-friendly in order to maximize their use. They also need to be low maintenance. So here the goal is to allow this community, this group of individuals, to spend most of their energy into creating value and distributing that value, and not into maintaining and improving their infrastructure. And these tools have to be persistent. Okay, you don't want your infrastructure to disintegrate after a few months or a few years, because some of these tools might not be available anymore. So we ended up with a highly modular infrastructure, which is also free, and that can be put together in a very short amount of time, and which it's very easily maintainable. So what can you do with this infrastructure? Well, you can use it to build social movements or social projects. You can use it for political movements. You can also use it to build an open enterprise, or what we call an open collaborative network of innovation, production and distribution of value. For example, we are using it as the infrastructure on which we build a discovery network, which is an open collaborative network, a for-profit open collaborative network for production and distribution of material goods.